Dear students, today is our English day. So you will talk me in English. I will ask you first M for word. Kuni, tell me M for word.
This is G mango.
Tell me S for word.
S for sanitizer, sir. This is my sanitizer.
Kuni, where is your sanitizer?
This is my sanitizer, sir.
Soni, tell me a M for word.
M for mark, sir.
Okay. Where is your sanitizer?
This is my sanitizer.
This is your sanitizer. What a joke.
I am not joking. I explain, sir.
Please explain me how she is the sanitizer.
This is my sister Sani. This is her tie.
Okay.
Sani tie. कालठाରୁ ତାକୁ jar sanitizer.
Students, welcome to my channel Santosh Mathematics. Today I am going to teach you regarding another branch of mathematics, that is trigonometry, ଯାହାକୁ ଆମେ କହୁଛେ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ତ୍ରିକୋଣମିତି. Trigonometry is based on the right angle triangle. It is and the relationship between their arms or sides. This is a right angle triangle ABC. Major angle C is known as theta, and the theta's front side is called P. Then the front of the right angle is called H, hypotenuse, corner, P, perpendicular, uchata, and the other side is called base, ଯାହାକୁ ଆମେ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ଭୂମି କହୁଛେ. ତ trigonometry is all about the right angle triangle and their sides and the relationship between their sides, the arms P, B and H. The ratio of P and H is called, the name is given sin theta. The ratio of B and H, the name is given cos theta, and the ratio of P and B, that is called tan theta. This is all about sin, cos and tan theta. Then comes to reciprocal side. Sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. Cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta. Tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Sin theta is equal to P by H. So its reciprocal is cosec theta. So cosec theta is H by P. There are, students, you know, there are number of formulas in trigonometry, but I will give you the minimum size of the formula. This is the size of formula you remember. There is so many clumsy to remember the formulas, so I will give you the concise, the precise, the minimum formulas. Sin theta P by H, you automatically say cosec theta H by P, sec theta H by B, cot theta B by P. Reciprocal side. Then comes to square side. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. We derive sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. You change the side and get another formula. So this is the three formula which deduce another 2 and another 2. So the gist of the formula is that. Then comes to division part. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta is reciprocal to tan theta, so cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. You automatically know the formula. Then comes to remaining part, which I will teach you tomorrow. 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta, what is in your table value. Then comes to table value, then comes to a plus b, a minus b, sin a plus b, sin a minus b, cos a minus b, cos a plus b. This is all about the formulas. And when we derive sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta, we come to reciprocal part. Sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. Tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. So this is another formula. This is bundles of formulas, hundreds of formula in trigonometry. But this is the concise size, this is the precise, this is the minimum size you remember, and you do any number of problems, you cannot face any difficulty in doing such problems. In triangle, I will say another thing. Measure angle C is called theta, then theta's front side is called P. But if you take A as theta, its front side BC is called P, and P is converted to B. Hypotenuse H remaining constant, P and B changes. So trigonometry is nothing but the relationship between P, B and H. Here I am going to solve a problem and clear your doubts. Cot theta plus 1 by cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to cosec theta. This is called prove that. We will prove it. This part is called cosec theta. Then LHS side, you convert cot theta to cos theta by sin theta, cosec theta 1 by sin theta, cot theta cos theta by sin theta. Then you continue and answer like that. But it is a very time taking process, and trigonometry says if you convert anything, cosec theta, cot theta, tan theta to sin cos, you solve any problem, but it is a time taking process, it is a very lengthy process. So to minimize this thing, I will give you certain idea. This part, cot theta, LHS, cot theta remaining constant plus 1. This is your presence of mind, and the way you tackle this formula. 1, you know from square side, square formula, you know that cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So you put that formula to here 1 in the place of 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta divided by cosec theta plus cot theta. Cot theta plus cosec square theta minus cot square theta, that is a square minus b square formula. Cosec theta plus cot theta into cosec theta minus cot theta divided by cosec theta plus cot theta. Cancelled. Remaining cot theta, cosec theta minus cot theta. Cot theta and cot theta cancel, remaining cosec theta. This is the easiest way you will do that problem. You will say the gist of the formula, that is sin, cos and tan theta. Sin theta P by H. गोटे ओडिया रे मु कहूची, कारण ओडिया एवं इंग्राजी मीडियम समस्त मु ए प्रोग्रामटा करिया चाहूची, समस्ते उपकृत होंतु. sin थीटा p by h, सिद्ध पंडा हो, सिद्ध पंडा हो. cos थीटा इक्वल टू b by h, चहटा विषयी हो. tan थीटा इक्वल टू p by b, तरणी पंडा बरमुंडा. मन हो गला. Dear students, I am going to solve another interesting problem in easily. Please look at it. Look at the blackboard. I will take LCM from denominator cos A minus sin B whole into sin A plus cos B. Then the same process, it is called sin A minus cos B into sin A plus cos B. A plus B whole into A minus B. Sin square A plus minus cos square B. Like that. Cos square A minus sin square B. Cos square A minus sin square B. You observe the numerator line. What you find? Sin square A plus cos square A. Cos square minus cos square B minus sin square B. Sin square A plus cos square A. It is 1. Then minus taking common sin square B plus cos square B. That part is also 1. This is 1. This is 1. That is called 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 0 by something is equal to 0. Answer, you get 0. This is the easiest way to solve this problem. Dear students, solving a problem is not important, but it is solved in a shortest way. It is important. So I will give you the clue how to solve this type of mathematics, this type of clumsy mathematics in 2 to 3 lines. Always watch my video. Stay home, stay safe, and do mathematics and watch my channel every day. Bye bye.